Welcome to Briscoe Galaxy. I'm Abraham Tabat, and in this video I'm going to be taking you on a journey and I will show you how to work from home and get paid from home. I want to drop a disclaimer: this is not a make money quick scheme, so if you're not ready to put in the work, you can sign out at this point. There are a lot of companies out there that are willing to pay you huge amounts of money just to manage their web assets online or generate leads for them online, and that's what I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be walking you step by step on how to go about doing that. Don't worry about the technical stuff. If you're not a geek or you're not a techie and you don't know all the whole complex tech stuff, like you don't need to know machine learning, you don't need to know artificial intelligence, you don't need to know how to code a program, you need to learn ethical hacking, you don't need to know about cloud computing. I'm just going to be teaching you something very simple, step by step. One of the greatest assets to companies today are their sales, marketing, and customer service teams. Why? Because these are the guys working behind the scene. They're responsible for attracting sales, attracting customers, and retaining the customers for these companies. All about customer acquisition and customer retention. I think that's one of the reasons CRMs like HubSpot today are selling big. Why? Because they have been able to integrate sales, marketing, and customer service in one software. Why? Because if these companies can generate sales, they can't retain their customers, and there's no cash flow in the company, it's just a matter of time. These companies will have to file for bankruptcy or they'll be out of business, right? So and that's what I'm going to be teaching you. You can literally take this skill and build your own online business. I'm currently working with a couple of companies that are willing to pay you $1,000 for just one customer you bring to the company. So if you're out there already doing a job and you're not happy about your job, you want to start working from home, this course is for you, right? And also, if you just want to get a new stream of income so you could generate more money working from home, you still want to keep your job, yes, you could take this course and build a new stream of income. If you're out there, you don't have a job and you want to acquire the skill sets that will enable you to work from home and get paid from home, this is a perfect course for you. We're going to be having two classes. One of the classes is going to be free, so you could get the free stuff, you could get the general stuff, but we're going to have another class, a premium class for those that want to get started and get this working and running for them. If you're signing up for the free class, you're going to have access to a lot of content we're going to be teaching in this training. If you're signing up for the premium class, you're going to have access to all the inside stuff, and you're going to have the hands-on guidance and mentorship to show you how this thing works. It's going to be like a one-on-one personal coaching with you, guiding you step by step on how you go about setting up this system and how this system could start generating income for you. When I'm talking about system, I'm not talking about complex stuff. It's just a skill you're going to acquire and apply this skill, and you start generating some good money working from home. To get signed in for this class, there are a couple of things that are required for you to have in place to get started in this class. First of all, you need to get your devices right. Like you need to get a good working laptop, and you need a good mobile phone, iOS or an Android device that will take a couple of applications. You need to be able to track what is going on their platforms, right? So you need these devices, right? And you need internet connection. With all these devices, you just stay at home, and I will show you how you can work for these companies from home, generating leads and managing their web assets working from home. You will be required to dedicate an hour every day for the next 30 days to learn this stuff, because the first 30 days will be dedicated for you acquiring these skill sets, and subsequently you would apply this skill to attract the customers. So this is what's going to happen. After 60 days of signing up for this class, you don't recoup your investment, and you have applied all the strategies I've taught you. You've gone through all the whole trainings and applied all the strategies you have been taught, and you don't recoup your investment for signing up for the premium class. This is so fail-proof. If you follow this system, it will work regardless of which country you are resident in, regardless of where you are from, regardless of your background in tech, regardless if you have an experience with computers. If you're willing to invest the time to learn the system, and you're willing to invest the time to learn what I'm going to teach you and apply the strategies, and you don't recoup your investment in 60 days, you will get a refund, big time. If you want to get started, just click the link below and sign up for the class, and we will get started. I'm taking limited number of students because I can't manage so many people, because if I'm taking one-on-one coaching with you, I would be there to take your calls. I'll be there to set up systems for you. I'll be there to give you support. This is like a 60 days challenge, and I'm going to take you from the process of setting up the systems to where you can fully begin to work from home and earn comfortably working from home. I remember when I started out, this system was very complex for me. I didn't understand. I was all online trying to know how to earn money online and all that. I got scammed a couple of times. I made a lot of investments that didn't go right, and I found out the best way you could earn online. There are two strategies you earn online. Is either you're selling a product or you're delivering a service. Period. What you're going to be learning here, you're going to be acquiring the skills so you could deliver these services to this company. This skill is going to work for you because you're going to be working with any business around the world. You can work with local businesses in your area. You could help them generate leads and manage their web assets. Earning online is not a complex thing. It was very complex for me when I started out. I really didn't know how to get started. My whole years of failure trying to get what works online, how to build a business online, how to earn money online. You don't have to go through the whole failures I went through years back. So if you're interested, click the link below and sign up and we could get you started. Alright, so thank you and see you around. I'm looking forward to see you in the class. Bye and have a great time.